Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to change the stabilizer link of a Toyota Vios. A simple DIY repair that helps eliminate knocking noises and improves handling. The stabilizer link, also known as the sway bar link, connects the stabilizer bar to the suspension. When it's worn out, you'll usually hear a clunking sound when driving over bumps or uneven roads. Before we start, here are the tools and parts you'll need. A car jack and a jack stand, a wrench and socket set, and of course, a new stabilizer link. For best results, replace both left and right sides. First, park on level ground and engage the handbrake. Then jack up the car and secure it with a jack stand. Loosen the wheel nuts slightly. Remove the wheel to access the suspension. Hold the link bolt with a wrench to prevent it from spinning. Then loosen and remove the nut from the top and bottom. Once both nuts are off, remove the old stabilizer link. Now install the new stabilizer link in the same position as the old one. Hand tighten the nuts first, then secure them properly with a wrench. Ensure everything is snug, but avoid over-tightening. Reinstall the wheel, tighten the lug nuts. Then safely lower the car back to the ground. Fully tighten the wheel nuts once the vehicle is down. Take the car for a short test drive. If the knocking sound is gone and the ride feels more stable, then the job is done. And that's how you replace the stabilizer link on a Toyota Vios. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next DIY video.